FibroCorp, located in Tacoma, Washington State, has leveraged more than 20 years of experience in pulp molding applications to develop an innovative invention patent for pallets made from recycled waste paper. After verification by SGS, the load-bearing capacity of pulp pallets has increased from 0.5 tons to more than 10 tons. These pallets have a certain degree of water resistance and have been tested under varying temperatures and humidity throughout the year. Their cost is only 1/6 that of wooden pallets. If the utilization rate of pulp molded pallets reaches 70% of the estimated 12.7 billion pallets worldwide, the annual output value could reach $80 billion, with gross profit up to $56.4 billion. Additionally, 488 million trees could be saved, 165 million tons of landfill waste could be reduced. Carbon emissions could be reduced by 250 million tons.
Forests are our lifeline, acting as a barrier. Deforestation disrupts the natural ecological balance, leading to unpredictable weather and climate patterns globally. In the United States, 22% of new timber each year is used to make and repair wooden pallets. The report shows that 9 billion board feet of new wood were used to produce new and restored wood pallets. That's 22% of the 42 billion board feet produced in the United States in 2016, Madison Lumber reported 2017. From the felling of trees to the completion of the pallet manufacturing is a long process, difficult log transport, cutting and soaking. Each pallet has at least 120 pieces of iron nails, which makes it difficult to be recycled. Pallet manufacturing requires many workers' hours. Even using the most modern German machines also require a lot of labor. The founder of our company creatively applied the pulp molding process to pallet manufacturing. After years of continuous research, development and improvement successfully increased the load capacity of the pulp pallet from original 0.5 tons to more than 10 tons. The maximum static load reaches 16,000 kilograms and passed the load-bearing test of different temperature and humidity nearly all year round. Our automated production pallet system takes only 10 minutes to make new pallets from waste paper or recycled pulp pallets, reducing the cost to 1/4 of the wooden pallets. And because of the convenience of raw waste paper supply, the factory can be built close to the user, shorten the transportation distance of raw materials and pallets, and greatly reduce the transportation cost. Here's an example illustrating the application of pulp pallets in the air cargo sector. In the air cargo sector, the use of pulp pallets significantly reduces weight compared to traditional wooden pallets. Wooden pallets typically weigh between 40 to 60 pounds, while pulp pallets weigh only 8 to 14 pounds. The top 6 air cargo companies in the U.S., FedEx, UPS, DHL, Atlas, Amerijet, Kalitta, ABX utilize approximately 18 million pallets annually. By switching to pulp pallets, they could save 678,000 tons of fuel, reduce carbon emissions by about 13 million tons, and save $860 million each year. This is a static load test site for our company's paper pallets. We can see that each heavy object weighs 4,000 pounds. The total weight reached an astonishing 16,000 pounds. This experiment has been ongoing since September last year until now. Tested through varying temperatures and humidity over a year. This is not the upper limit. Verified by SGS, the maximum load-bearing capacity has reached 16 tons. With a certain degree of waterproofing, the pallet can remain submerged in water for over 4 to 6 hours and can be used for operations in the rain.
Even after being struck or damaged by a forklift, which is something that can happen frequently on busy work sites, this pallet continues to hold strong, withstanding an impressive 3.5 tons of weight.
This is our company's dynamic load experiment. We use the one same paper pallet to repeatedly conduct high-load dynamic tests over and over again. Is to simulate various usage scenarios and ensure that our company's paper pallets are safe and reliable to use. Our company's dynamic load experiment was also overloaded. With current tests having reached over 4 tons, but most goods not exceeding 2 tons. We can see that under such hard dynamic load tests, the forklift is difficult to maintain balance. But the paper pallet can still be excellent without damage.